When do we want it? Now! We shall not be moved. Come on, everybody. We shall not be moved.
Yellowfish was not in vain! 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 Yellowfish was not in vain!
Yellowfish was not in vain! Join in to make it big and beautiful and allow some folks all the way from New York City, from Flatbush. New York City.
While I'm on the sea, just say, I want you, Lord, I need you.
Let's have the folks from North Carolina give a big hell no Joe on 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Hell no, Joe!
Everybody else pitching in to make this movement big and grow and stop the era of fossil fuels. Everybody who's been doing this work for one day, this is the first day you showed up, or the first week, or maybe it's been 10 or 20 or 30 years. Let's have another hell no Joe. 1, 2, 3.
Hell no, Joe!
We are not angry enough right now. A lot of us are standing here with a lot of privilege, and we might be in the middle of a wildfire haze, but we need to be angry for the people who are on the front lines. We need to be angry for the people who are choking on smoke like this every day. We need to be fired up for our comrades who are risking arrest right now, and for the people risking arrest on the pipelines. Our planet is on fire! Put the fire out! Our planet is on fire! Put the fire out! Our planet is on fucking fire! Put the fire out! My future is on fire! Put the fire out! My future is on fire! Put the fire out! Your future is on fire! Put the fire out! Our earth is on fire! Put the fire out! Our world is on fire! Put the fire out! When our planet is under attack, what do we do? When our planet is under attack, what do we do?
When our earth is under attack, what do we do? When our earth is under attack, what do we do? When our earth is under attack, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here to risk arrest and putting your bodies on the line for those on the front line, showing that we are all affected by the climate crisis. Nobody can say that the climate crisis is not a threat to everybody. So today, what we see here in DC with the smoke and with the heat, that is one day of what folks on the front line live with every single day. Every day. So thank you so much for coming here, for those from the front lines that have made their way all the way to DC. Thank you to those of you from DC and the communities around here standing with those in solidarity with the front lines. Thank you so much. We're going to give it here over to hear from some of the people who are standing here today, putting their bodies on the lines for the front lines. Thank you. We see you. We love you. Thank you. We see you. We love you. Over to you.
Hey everybody. I'm Carol Muffett. I'm with the Center for International Environmental Law, but I'm here today on my own. And I'm here today in solidarity with the communities on the front lines of MVP. But it's time to acknowledge that when the very air we breathe from New York to North Carolina is toxic to us, we are all on the front lines.
Right. Yes.
When you can't insure your house in California because of fires, or in Florida because of floods, we are all on the front line.
Yes. Right.
When you can't rebuild your house in Texas or Louisiana from one storm before the next storm comes, we are all on the front line.
Yes.
In 1988, Senator Joe Biden spoke at the first major Senate climate hearing on climate change, and he said, "It is time to act." In 1990, Senator Joe Biden said the world needs a strong climate treaty urgently.
Shame. Shame.
Where is that Joe Biden?
Shame.
Approving MVP is not that Joe Biden.
Yes. Right.
Pushing fossil fuels and oil and gas down the throats of communities is not leadership. It is not climate justice. It is not environmental justice. It is not justice of any kind.
That's right.
And it will not stand, Joe.
That's right.
And it is not just us. We are here like millions of people around the world and hundreds of thousands of Americans across the country, and we are standing up and we're saying no to MVP, no to fossil fuels, no to the climate emergency, and yes to environmental justice, and it's time for you, Joe, to deliver.
Good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing? Are we still angry? So let's make sure he hears it. What do we want?
Climate justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Climate justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
And if we don't get it,
Shut it down.
we don't get it.
Shut it down.
We don't get it.
Shut it down.
We don't get it.
Shut it down.
And that's exactly what we will do. We will continue to come back and take the streets until Joe Biden understands that we are serious about saying no to any more new fossil fuels. My name is Vanessa Agudelo. I'm coming here from the city of Peekskill in the state of New York. And Peekskill is an environmental justice community just like many of the communities that some of the folks are coming here from. And Peekskill is also home to the only site in the country where we have a now decommissioning nuclear power plant sitting on top of fracked gas pipelines. That's right. So we are no stranger to being a sacrifice zone. And that's why I came to DC to say no to MVP, to say no to fossil fuel infrastructure, and to say no to communities continuing to be sacrificed for the sake of corporate profits. This is about corporate greed. So we must ask President Biden, whose side are you on? Are you on the side of corporate greed, or are you on the side of the community, of the well-being of humanity? We need to continue to make our message heard, so I just want to say thank you so much to all of you for being here, because we must continue to fight. We must continue to advocate. We must continue to take the streets, because this is our planet, this is our democracy, and we need to continue to make our voices heard to make sure we stop any new fossil fuel from happening, especially the MVP. Thank you.
Dogs get me excited.
Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone. The time has come to part ways, but not for long. We will need you in Appalachia to continue to fight this pipeline. Please follow Appalachians Against Pipelines on social media. Stay in touch with 7 Directions. Stay in touch with the Power Coalition. We need you more than ever. We are going to stop this pipeline. We do believe we will win, and we do believe we will secure the livable future we deserve, and we'll all do that collectively. We so appreciate everything you have given today. We appreciate all our folks willing to risk arrest, and we will see you very soon. Thank you, everyone, and this is the end of the rally.